Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. I want to give you guys a chance to win this 1/2" impact 21 volt from Ryojegk. So here we are at the lake house where we will be spending the summer on the shores of Lake Pontchartrain. I want to show you these decks we have everywhere that are in constant need of maintenance. See at the water line here, boards are missing. Every one of them are loose. So I can't begin to tell you about the importance of having a good, inexpensive drill on hand. One that you're not afraid to lose in case it accidentally gets dropped in the bayou. Which brings me to this video. Our friends over at Ryojegk, at least I think that's how it's pronounced, sent us a 1/2" drill, 21 volt, to check out. So I brought home from the office a 20 volt 1/2" drill from DeWalt. We're gonna throw some screws, bolts through some wood and see if the Ryojegk can keep up. All right, inside the box, this is what you get. User manual. They include a set of attachments. Includes everything. I mean, anything and everything. Phillip bit, flathead drill bits. They even have this little flexible bit that you can angle. They have a few sockets in here. So I had to open it up and show you all that's included in that kit. You have various sockets. This flexible attachment, getting tough spots. Phillip bits, flathead, little torque bit, and multiple drill bits. You get the 1/2" drill, which feels really good. I think it's very similar to a Ryobi. I keep Ryobi tools around here at the boathouse, you know, screwing boards down on the dock. If I drop it in the water, well, it's easier to swallow. You have 2 batteries, 21 volt batteries. Now, on the battery themselves, there's no way to determine the charge, but located on the drill, and I'll show you in a minute, they have a button that you can check the battery life once it's attached. So you get 2 batteries and a charger. So it's a pretty good deal. I mean, I think right now $120 is what they have this listed as, and you get all the attachments, the drill, lithium, brushless, 2 batteries, and a charger. And let's say, for instance, DeWalt, you're getting technically, I guess, the same 20 volt 1/2" impact, but you're getting just the drill only for about $250. So not to say that, you know, this one's better than this one. I'm only stating that for 120 bucks, you get all that you see here. So if this can work just close to what the DeWalt does, absolutely. I would definitely purchase this and keep this around here to drive some bolts through deck boards and whatnot. Yeah, I mean, if it can drive a bolt and I don't have to worry as much about dropping this in the bayou, then that, yeah, that would be great. So let's go ahead and put it together. Let's clip on the battery and I'll show you how it works. Battery's on in place. Down here, let me show you what I was referring to. So You have to squeeze the trigger first. So you can set the speed low, medium, and high. And next to it to the right, you have battery life. So you have the ability to check your battery life only when the battery's in place. So low, medium, high. Now let's bring this over here and let's do it. High on DeWalt, high on Ryojegk. I'm thinking I'm getting RPMs there on the Ryojegk. Alright. Let's go ahead and drive this a screw with each. Alright, let's drive a 4-inch deck screw into this 4x4 and see how it works. Now what I find interesting is I did not get any impact driving that screw. I mean, I don't think I should, but it shows you it's got some power behind it. Now let's check out the DeWalt. Now with the DeWalt as well, we have a full battery, 20 volt XR. So let's drive this screw and see how it responds. Okay, what I find interesting is the DeWalt had to use the impact to drive that screw, and I don't know if that's by design. Whereas this one did not feel like it was under that much load to have to engage the impact. It just drove the screw right through the board. So I find that interesting. Maybe it means nothing, but we'll see. Now, sorry, I can't do a side by side because I could not find two of either of these bolts. Yeah, I can't keep them in stock here. I constantly drive them in deck boards, so I guess we'll have to do one and then the other. All right, so this time, let's go with the DeWalt first. Let's go ahead and drive this bolt to this board. Yeah, I mean, it definitely did that with these. So let's check out the Ryojegk and see how it handles that bolt. Okay, next, Ryojegk 21 volt. Let's see how it responds to this bolt through this 4x4. Okay, I mean, a very similar result. I don't, maybe the DeWalt was a little quicker at driving that bolt. Maybe, but in no way, shape or form did this lack any power. It feels about the same weight, same size, maybe a little bigger as far as the base. But yeah, I mean, half the price. Yeah, so if you have the need for a 1/2-inch impact, 21 volts, I would definitely recommend the Ryojegk. I think it is it's a great drill. It will perform almost as good, probably as good as the DeWalt. And you get 2 batteries, a charger, and an assortment of bits at half the cost, right? So yeah, this is perfect to keep around fixing docks or your garage, or if you need just an extra 1/2-inch drill. I'm gonna run outside and I'm going to take off a lug and screw a lug back on just to kind of see how that works. guys an opportunity to win this. Again, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and please leave a comment so I can find you guys and select the winner. Thanks for watching.